Hey guys, it's me, Random Videos, or other words, if you know me, Dark Samurai. I'm in the Philippines and you already know Roblox and I need to explain it. I'm just saying to any Roblox creator, just quit Roblox because Roblox will go to their downfall in their hill. All I will want to say, create your own game in the App Store and Roblox will truly fall down. Roblox has your power because you create games in it. But if no game exists there, nothing, even any game there is don't exist. Roblox goes down faster than the lightning bolt strike the ground. I will say my top 3 games. I'm starting at the third one is Murder Party. You could upgrade it using Fall Guys pace. Like it's a blank pace, obviously. And because you have mass, you could use that. Just tip the maps, make it a bit detailed. You know what I mean. Then Fall Guys with the dash. Make it more fun. My second one is obviously my most played game, not survival game. You already know. There's a lot of survival games already. What will be different? It will be more cartoony, more not realistic. There will be bosses that could respawn with a rise of thing, and then we'll have a animation every time they rise every 3 hours to make the game fair. Just detail it a bit, make it look like a more human than Roblox, then that's it. My top 1 game is obviously Bloxfruit. All I will say, make the first C, second, and all of the C's more bigger, like times 2 or times 3, and make the people there or players more human-like. And unless you need to make your own suit, they will give you your uniform if you're a pirate or if you're a marine. I'm sorry to every Roblox player, but this is the end of the era of Roblox. Goodbye and sayonara.